run it with this one foot pedal here, if I can get my foot in it. As you can see, it comes down quickly for a second and then slows down. And there's a rod back here that I'll show you that adjusts the height of this quick down. This rod right here hits this switch. These switches are not, or the stroke control switch is not wired up because of this control right here takes care of that, and it has to be calibrated correctly. And right there's the calibration procedures. And see if we can get this back gauge to move. There we go. That's just progressing through the job 1, switch to job 2, see if it moves further. Not sure what's on which job, but well, you can see it move. That's all that matters, I guess. And the down buttons, these two don't work. That's for the hand, the foot. That doesn't work. You don't really need that with the foot pedals. If you switch it to inch mode, it'll shut off. There's the other foot pedal. If you switch it to both pedals, you have to hit them both simultaneously.